Agitetera mbere ya Jaji Muchelule kuhitukira wakiri wa Weru Gatonye, Gavana Mutua ni aroririe igoti riteanirie ihoya ria Wavinya uria ahotire githurano-ini kia mweri wa kanana, akiuga ihoya riake riri na mahitia ma kiwatho na ritiagiriirwo gukorwo mbere ya igoti. Hari mahitia maria wakiri Gatonye arorotire ni ati ihoya ria Wavinya ritiekirire munini wa Gavana Francis Maliti, undu uria aroigire ni mugaru na watho tondu mathurirwo mari kindu kimwe. Oho wakiri Gatonye ni aroigire ihoya ria Wavinya ritiagereire mutaratara uria wagereire wabici-ini ya registrar wa igoti ria Machakos.
We have had to constitute a much larger legal team than would otherwise have been necessary because of the urgency created by the short time available to us to prepare a response to the petition. My Lord, I pray that this application be allowed.
No mawakiria Wavinya matongoretio ni Otiende Amolo ni moigite ihoya ria uriri na uritu na ritiagiriirwo ni guteanirio ni undu wa mahitia manini mahana haria.
This application is mischievous, it is misplaced, and it seeks to serve the purpose of delaying and derailing the main hearing of this petition.
Riu, Jaji Agri Muchelule ni erigiriirwo kuheana itua riake muthi wa gatano kiumia turorete. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.